Chapter 6, Section 7. We are going to learn about inverse relations and functions. Inverse relations and functions. It is terrible. All right. Here's how it works. Ready? I'm going to show you how tough this is. Watch this. I'm going to give you an equation. Y equals 2, I don't want to use 2x. Let's just use x. X plus 5. Okay? I'm going to find the inverse function of x, of y equals x plus 5. What's that? Find out. Here's what you do. Here's what you do. You replace the x's and the y's. So I have x, I have y here. I'm going to call that x. And I'm going to call this y plus 5. Okay? Now I'm going to solve for y. All right? And in order to do that, I have to subtract 5 from both sides, right? X minus 5 equals y. And you don't leave it like this. You actually have to call this f prime of x. I'm sorry, f negative 1. F negative 1, not prime. Because a prime would be a derivative, x negative 1 of x. All right? So f negative 1 of x equals x minus 5. This here is an inverse function of that there. Got it? Let's take a little tougher one. That one wasn't tough. Y equals 2x plus 4. All right? Y equals 2x plus 4. We're going to interchange our x and y's around. X equals 2y plus 4. Notice how we switched them around. Now we're going to solve for y. X minus 4 equals 2y. Divide by 2. Y equals x minus 4 over 2. This is my f negative 1 of x, or my inverse function is x minus 2 over, or x minus 4, I'm sorry, over 2.
So when you do an inverse function, you just put f and then minus 1 of x and then square root of that?
F minus 1 of x. This says it's an inverse function, that f minus 1 of x. Yep, I want to see it like this, right here. F minus 1 of x equals x minus 4. Here's something really cool that happens. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm going to erase this part of it. I don't need all this. All right. I'm going to say f negative 1 of x equals x minus 4 over 2. Let me erase this now. Watch what happens. I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to put it in for x. Watch what happens. 2x plus 4 minus 4 over 2. Get rid of my parentheses. 2x plus 4 minus 4 over 2. My 4's cancel out. My 2's cancel out. What am I left with? Just my x. It's an inverse function. If I was to take this and put it into there, same thing would happen. I would end up with x. No. I'm just showing this to you. If I was to take this here and put it in for that x, I would end up with just x here when I solved it down. If I take this here and put it into that x, I would still end up with x. That proves to you that we have the inverse. That's how you prove you have an inverse function. So if you want to check your work, then you can check your work. Take a look at this. We have 18 problems. Well, why not? Nah. We got to take a look at what assignment 2 is. Assignment 2. You are graphing. You're graphing these. All right. All I want you, actually today, all I want you guys to do, you got a choice. How about we got a choice? Choice. You can do all 18. You can do all 18, or you can do the odds and do the other side also with the graphing. All 18 it is.